Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to fix the brightness problem, and we will also change the brightness on Windows 11. For that, we just need to do a right click in the start icon and then click on Device Manager. So brightness issues on Windows 11 is related to the drivers in 99% cases. So I'll just maximize the Device Manager. Here, look for anything which says monitor, and you will find generate PNP monitor. Just do a right click and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically driver. Once you have done that, go to display adapters, and whatever the adapter you have display, like you might have NVIDIA or Intel or any other manufacturer's graphics card. So for that, you just need to do a right click and click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. If it updates, well and good. If it doesn't, do a right click and click on update driver and select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list available. So from here, select any other version of driver one by one and click on next and see if that works for you. Once you have updated the driver, restart the computer and do a right click, go to settings, and here in system, go to display and try to change the brightness. In my computer, it's working absolutely fine now. So you can also do that. And please let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.